And thank you very much for joining us again to hearing our this amazing story. Today we have Harshit Sharma at Inspiring Ohana Talk. Hello Harshit, welcome and how are you doing?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And good morning and hi to the fellow trailblazers. And thank you so much for this opportunity and having me at this Inspire One or sessions.
Thank you very much. So Harshit, please share something about yourself first, and then we will go with your journey and some interesting talk.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Harshit Sharma and I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And currently I am in my final year of computer science. I am pursuing it from Arya Institute of Engineering Technology, which is in Jaipur. And I am a trailhead ranger. And currently I am pursuing Salesforce admin certification and willing to be a developer in future. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Awesome. So, can you please share how you got to know about Salesforce? How you started learning?
Yes, sir. So back in 2019, there was an event by the Salesforce Jaipur group. So being a college student, so there is always a curiosity of attending this kind of seminar, this kind of events to get to know each other, the fellow students, and it's a great place for networking. So before I attended this event organized by the Salesforce group of Jaipur, I was not much aware about Salesforce, though I have heard the name that okay, say there is something called Salesforce. But sir, with the name, we generally define that okay, it's related to sales. Unless and until we have the awareness about that, it's for every field, for every technology, it has some meanings. So once I attended the webinar, I mean the seminar, when that I was grateful to have sessions by Gaurav Khetrapal sir and Rupesh Bhatia sir. So I really feel blessed in these times whenever I remember those sessions that I was able to see them face to face, because in nowadays it's a dream for people to meet in person and to have the conversations with them. So it was a great experience for me. From that moment, I decided that no, I want to pursue my career in Salesforce. Though, sir, being a college student, it was not possible for me to be consistent pursuing Salesforce because our college doesn't have any partnership with such training programs, which are generally held in colleges. And so I tried to start learning by my own. I tried to research things. I tried to network with different peoples to seek their advices who are successful in this Ohana. And in this way, I started my journey. And I guess lockdown has been a great thing for me in this case because it gave me opportunity to connect with different peoples, because these virtual meetings have made it easier to connect with people, and it ultimately helped me to gain knowledge as well as what we say increase my interest towards Salesforce.
Nice. And then you started learning Salesforce. So how the journey continue? How you learn by self? Like I am sure you used either Salesforce or like maybe some other resources. Can you please share that learning journey?
Sure. So, sir, as I mentioned, that I was inspired by the session of Gaurav Khetrapal sir and Rupesh Bhatia sir. So, after that, I tried to research a bit about it, that from where we should start, because, sir, what I believe is that the strong foundations are very much necessary in whichever field we want to pursue, whether it's Salesforce or any other technology. So, it's better to build a strong foundation rather just, sir, run for the batches or run for the certifications. Though batches and certification have their own value, but being a fresher and being a newbie in the Ohana, it's always important to build your base strong. So I tried to start finding different kind of resources, whether they are YouTube channels, like many of our uh, great MVPs are also running this concepts of teaching students weekly basis. Motiari Group was doing these sessions as well under your guidance. So this has been the driving part for me. Like before lockdown, it was not possible for me to attend each and every sessions because they were in person. But since lockdown, it has given me freedom to join as much as online sessions as I want and gain knowledge. Because what I believe, sir, is that though I am pursuing Salesforce admin, I am a newbie, but there is no hardcore foundation that I can't learn about analytics, Einstein analytics, or any other field as well. So it has given us an opportunity that we can explore the things as we want to do. So I would just recommend one thing, just that Trailhead, as mentioned, is the official guidebook, or we can say a guide for the trailblazers who are new to the industry, new to the Salesforce. But what I believe is that thorough research is necessary if you are a newbie. There are ample of resources and people are willing to help. It's just a need of an hour that we raise a call whenever we are in a problem, or we are having some question related to whether it's a topic or anything. It's a need of an hour to just raise your hand and people around you are willing to help you out. So it's all up to us whether we want to achieve it, whether we want to grow ourselves or not.
Okay, so it was a combination. Like you started learning with Trailhead, yeah, and
Yes.
you have like help from the Trailblazer community groups, and you are attending lots of meetups, and you are learning with our Ohana. Nice. And yeah, I also remember you have also helped us while organizing online meetups. Like your contribution as a self-motivated volunteer is really appreciable. Thank you very much. So Harshit, you attended a session, then you started learning. How you are planning your career journey? You told me you are looking for be a developer, right? So why developer? Why not other role? What's your point of view? How you being inspired for be a developer? Because we have lots of global career path in our ecosystem, na?
Yes, sir. So, firstly, thank you to Mutiari Group and to you for the opportunity of being volunteer. Because, sir, being a fresher, it's a great thing that we can be a part of the BAM movement, which is organized by the traded community. And, sir, coming to your question, so being in India, sir, it's a self-aware thing that developers are in great demand as we compare to the other markets, whether to the US market or anything else. Here, developers are being graded very well, and from the employment point of view, they are in great demand. So it can be a great career path for a fresher like me. And being from a computer science background, I am inclined towards coding stuff and solving the problems. So it can help me in that and to develop my career being a developer. And in future, being a developer, it opens the career path for many cloud based technologies. For example, I can go with different cloud services provided by Salesforce in any domain according to my interest, and excel my career in future if things go according to the plan.
Okay. Yes, I agree with you. Like you have huge demand for such professionals, including developers and other roles. And yes,
Yes.
we will support. Go ahead according to your interest. Explore our Salesforce career path. So nice. Okay. And I can say, like in simple word, what message you want to give someone for give back? Because I can see you are aware about the be a multiplier. So can you please
Yes,
talk
sir.
more about that?
Sure, sir. Sir, what I believe is, and I guess what the whole Huana believe is that if you uh, do serve for someone, then God definitely gives that back to you as well. So, being kind to each other in the Ohana, helping each other is a great gesture, which is sir, a star in our community. And as we have seen many young leaders like Sesha, Anantapari, and many other young leaders who are doing exceptionally well in the Ohana, and they are inspiration for us. So in near future, after completing my Salesforce admin certification, I am willing to, sir, in collaboration with any of the group, the Salesforce group, I'm willing to have some sessions regarding Salesforce admin, because being a newbie, there are always some issues for them for learning the Salesforce admin path as well, because that's a kind of basic requirement whenever you are switching to Salesforce.
Okay. Uh, Now, if I ask you, have you experienced our developer forum or our Telegram community answer sections for asking answer questions or maybe giving answers? Can we share something? If you have experienced those, you are aware about that?
Yes, sir. I have accessed the Trailblazer community section, which is the kind of help section for the learner, whether they are developer or admin or any other role. And sir, what I believe is that no question is the silly question. And if we think that no, what people will think about this question, or no, I should be able to solve this. So definitely you can try to solve it. And in case you have any issue, uh, be brave to post it in the community section, because maybe your one question can help many people in case they are also facing the same issue. And with my personal experience, I can say that it don't take more than one day to solve, let your problem get solved by the community members, because they are highly active in the help section, and as well as they are willing to help you. Because what generally people think that no, I will post the questions will be lying, and may or may not people answer, may they judge us. That's nothing like that. It's a way of giving back. What I believe is that in case I have faced any issue and I have recognized that okay, this can be solved in the following ways, so if the same issue is faced by another person, I can definitely help them out. And so what it makes, what it develops, that it develops a gesture of help, and it definitely builds a bond in the Ohana, for which this whole Trailblazer community is definitely known, and what the Trailblazer community believes in.
Loved it. Yes, actually, I have been also active on Answer community. So yeah, you have explained very well. If I am going to ask any question, so people around me are going to reply, and if I am
Yes,
aware
sir.
with I am aware with some answers, maybe some questions. Oh, I know, or maybe I spend some minutes and I can give the answer. Then go ahead, give the answer, and our one answer help multiple people. Totally agree with you, and yeah, it's real. We
Yes,
experienced
sir.
it actually. Awesome. Uh, do you have any idea about Trailblazer mentorship program? We have amazing program, Trailblazer mentorship. Have you explored about that on Trailhead 8?
Yes, sir. I have been a part of this Trailblazer mentorship program, and I have been a mentee under Ankush Agarwal, sir. So it has been a great experience being a mentee, because, sir, it gives you an opportunity to have a in-person communication with the person who has been experienced in Salesforce community, and you can definitely have a guidance under them about how to pursue your certifications, how to pursue your trail mixes, and in case you have any doubts, you can definitely help ask them for the help. And in case you can also seek advices from another trailblazers as well, because sir, what I believe is we should never hesitate in posting questions that okay, with the person may be able to answer me, may not be able to answer me, because everyone in the Ohana is willing to help you out. There may be some delays due to their professional commitments, but they definitely help you out. And in this virtual world now, it is quite easy to communicate with each other and get your doubts solved, because there are many community groups active nowadays with their weekend sessions and many other sessions. So it has been a easy process, what I believe, which was not that much easy before lockdown, because there were in-person community events, and it is not practically possible for each of us to attend those. But if we want to have some positive impacts of from this lockdown, so we can definitely fetch it out that it has enabled each of us to meet virtually whenever it is possible, and whenever we want to gain knowledge, we can do that with the help of the sessions.
Wow, so you have already experienced the Trailblazer mentorship program, and you mentioned the
Yes, sir.
mentor name Ankush. Yeah, I
Ankush
saw
Agrawal,
you
sir.
said
Yes, sir.
yes, yes. While answering on answer community, yes, I saw his answers, and he also on answer leaderboard recently, and
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So one of the active members. So thank you to your mentor. Uh, okay. So Harshit, what message you want to give someone who is really new? I can see students, maybe your junior batch, maybe some colleagues from who are not much aware about us. So, what message you want to pass them? Because I can see you have already experienced our answer community, you have explored our all groups, you have also part of mentorship program as you mentioned earlier, and yeah, lots of
Yes,
things.
sir.
So please just share something.
Definitely. So, sir, what I would say that firstly, believe in yourself because being a newbie, the process may be a bit difficult for you to learn things to get familiar with the platform, but it's not that difficult once you believe in yourself and have consistency. Because, sir, the first certification always take a lot of time and it tends to be that much difficult. But once you clear that and once you gain the knowledge, it's quite easy for you to look back and cherish those memories that okay, I have learned, I have given this much of time, and I have tried to solve this much of trail mixes and all those stuff. So just believe in yourself. What is what the key for me as well, because as I mentioned earlier that I have been attended those sessions in 2019, and since that I was a bit procrastinating the whole process. But once the lockdown happened, it gave me a chance to again revisit those stuff, and also to decide whether I want to pursue my career in Salesforce or not. And I'm really happy and proud to say that in last couple of months I have tried to give my best to the community, for myself and for the community, because if you tend to give to the community is definitely standing for you to help you out and support you in any of the way possible for them. So just stick to your learning process, stick to the trailhead, stick to the official guides and documents provided by the Salesforce and trailhead. And in case you have any doubt, feel free to reach out any of the trailblazer you think that he or she will answer your question, because there is no as such protocol that you can't ask to someone else. You have to post to the community only your doubts. There is nothing like that. You feel comfortable with any of the person, you tend to think that no, I can ask to him, he will definitely answer me, then please do, don't hesitate. So it can be a game changer for you as well as the other fellow trailblazers which are also willing to join Salesforce, and maybe they are also facing the same trouble. And what I believe that there is no best way of solving your doubt than the Trailhead community help section, because in that once you post your doubt, many people follow that. You can also have many point of view regarding the doubt or the question, so it can help you to gain a variety of knowledge about that. Okay, this question may have this issue, may have this another issue as well. Because what generally happens is people are a bit scared about listening about trail mixes, playgrounds and all those stuff, and it takes a bit of time to get familiar with the platform. But yeah, once you get familiar with the platform and the trailhead badges and the trail mixes, you will definitely love to learn with the process, because these are designed in such a way that it doesn't make the study or the curriculum boring. It makes it interactive with the community as well as in person. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. Really inspiring, Harshit. To be honest, I'm feeling inspired from you. Reason being,
Thank you so much.
I also know, or I have all type of students who are learning lots of things, who are believing in, uh, adopting the latest technologies. And I also know few of the students, they are concerned, I don't have time for learn, sir, I am busy in these. So really, it was inspiration for all those students. So, wow, amazing. Uh, okay, so we discussed, you have shared me how you started learning Salesforce, how you got to know in Salesforce in your, college when the session was happened. And also, just think, you want to thank some of your mentors. Please go ahead, just take few moments, because we in our community, already we feel grateful for everything. So just think and
Def-
please feel free to thank
Definitely,
him.
sir. So, sir, whenever I discuss about my journey, whether to my friends or whether on any platform, I am grateful to Rupesh Bhatia, sir, and Gaurav Ketrapal, sir, because indirectly they have shown me the career path. And if I remember those sessions nowadays, it's like a memory to cherish, as I mentioned earlier as well, because they have impacted, I guess, many people in this Ohana, especially Rupesh Bhatia sir. We have seen their sessions on Caesar to Salesforce, which are a great inspiration for everyone in the Ohana. And I would like to thank the Motiari Group as well as you, sir, for the opportunity, being a volunteer, experiencing like how the group community meetings are held, what are the, because what I believe, sir, is management is not the thing that you learn by your own. It's a thing in which you have to get your hands dirty. You have to be on the field and learn. It may be a small thing for someone, but I believe that it's a great thing to learn, and it can be helpful for you in the near future as well. And definitely, sir, I have heard your stories on the YouTube podcast which you have recorded. So it's a great inspiration for many of the newbies, which always, have the excuse that no, I'm not able to discover the platform well, I'm not able to invest my time well because I'm busy in this, that things. So no, if you are willing, if you definitely want to be the part of the Ohana, you will find a way. That's the whole scenario, sir. And in case you don't want to be the part and you are not that much dedicated, so there are always excuses present. And also, sir, I would like to thanks to Stesha and Anantapali, because they are the, I guess, they are the youngest, one of the youngest group leaders as well as the trailblazer ambassadors, which are very much connected with the fellow trailblazers like me and other college students, and they are also helping us to grow. Because sir, what generally we think is that no, okay, Gaurav sir, Rupesh sir, or whether Om sir, they are highly qualified, they are very much established in the industry, they can deliver the sessions, and we sometimes feel a bit less confident. But after seeing Sesha, Anantapali, and listening to their stories, it's a kind of boosting thing for us. Get no, we can also share our stories, we can also try to give back to the community, like we have mentioned earlier that there is a BAM program in our community. So definitely we can try to contribute in our way. It can be a small or big contribution, but yeah, an effort is always appreciated. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much for pointing this out. Yes, we have full of inspiration, especially if we see our young generation, if we see our future force, our students, investors, student leaders. We have lots of. So yeah, they all are inspiration for us, and you will share very well. Like we are working professionals, so we have also some mentorship. I can say mentoring experience, succession experience,
Yes, sir.
internal. So it's like not much difficult, but newbies and students, if they are coming up with their leadership, that's really inspiring for us. And here we see our future force, and yeah, future of everyone is bright in our ecosystem. Well,
Definitely, sir.
I am very happy, very interesting talk, Harshit. So thank you, and wish you all the best for your, when you are going to complete your, I mean, final exam, I can say from college.
Sir, I will be pass out in 2021. Currently, I'm a final year student.
Oh, nice. Okay, wish you all the best for your career endeavors, career opportunities. And yeah, we are already connected on social media. So we are already connected. Feel free to reach out if any queries, any much discussions, and any more opportunity you are looking for. Like having a session. I will love having your session in our upcoming meetup. Okay?
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much again for this opportunity, because the first live session is always special for every speaker. So, and I hope in future I will be able to definitely deliver well as well. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, so many more to come. And I'm also happy to know it's your first session. I can say one public recording we are doing, right? So one of the public
Yes,
talk.
sir.
And yeah, okay. So thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care. Stay safe. And just I want to give a message to our audience. If you also want to share some of your story, if who are able to motivate someone with your story, because I believe everyone has some, told or untold a story, and we can inspire many more, right? So please go
Yes,
ahead,
sir.
visit inspiringmohana.com, and excited to talk to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye,
Yeah.
Harshit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Bye.